Hello everyone, Bill here with Day Trip Adventure. Today we're going camping at Fish Creek Campground in the Sequoia National Forest, which is located in the southern Sierra Nevada mountains. Please support us by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Let's go on a day trip adventure. We have a trick to help you keep your meat fresh when using a cooler. We pack frozen meat. Right here the chicken was still partially frozen, and when that happens, just slice them into thin pieces so the middle will cook all the way through.
This is what you do when you forget a pan.
Cook it right in the can.
Can o' chili.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for going camping with us. We hope to inspire you to get out and explore. Please support us by liking, subscribing, or commenting. Click and watch the video on the screen right now, and when you do, you'll go on a day trip adventure.